Friends, today we will learn about the poem Walk a Little Slower. First, we will discuss about the warming up activities. First one is chit chat. Form pairs or groups of four. Use these questions to start a conversation with your friends. You have to converse with your friend, and these questions are useful for you. You have to use these questions. The first question is, are you a talkative person? Talkative means बोलका, बडबड्या. Second is, do you like to share your thoughts? तुम्हाला तुमचे विचार शेअर करायला आवडतात का? शेअर मीन्स दुसऱ्यांना सांगणे. What would you like to do after 10th? When you will pass the 10th standard SSC, at that time what would you like to do? काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला 10वी नंतर? So these types of questions you have to ask to your pair, and you have to converse with your friend with that questions. So you cannot converse with now your friend, so you have to write the questions and write the answers. So you should have 5 questions with that answers. Next activity is my thoughts. Form groups of 4 or 6. Discuss the following with your friends in the group and then complete the sentences. A. I would like to talk to. मला बोलायला आवडेल. My mother. आई सोबत. About swimming lessons. I would like to talk to my father about. वडिलांशी कशाबद्दल बोलायला आवडेल? Study or buying bicycle, like that. I would like to talk to my teacher about problems in maths, grammatical accuracy. Next one is, I would like to talk to my best friend about. आपल्या बेस्ट फ्रेंड बद्दल आपल्याला कशाबद्दल बोलायला आवडेल? About other friends. Think about it. Next one is, I would like to talk to my grandparents about. आजी आजोबांबरोबर बोलायला आवडेल कशाबद्दल? About their house in village, or about the childhood memories of your father, mother, like that. I would like to talk to my neighbors about. Neighbors means शेजारी. So I would like to talk to my neighbors about. शेजाऱ्यांशी बोलायला आवडेल कशाबद्दल? So think and write. कशाबद्दल बोलायला आवडेल? About serials, about movies, about helping other neighbors, like that. B is, I would like to learn to. काय आवडेल आपल्याला शिकायला? डॅश फ्रॉम माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. मित्राकडून. फ्रॉम माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड व्हॉट आय वुड लाईक टू लर्न. काय आवडेल? सो द फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स विल बी लाईक दिस. असं असेल पहिलं वाक्य. आय वुड लाईक टू लर्न टू प्ले फुटबॉल फ्रॉम माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. Second one would be like that. I would like to learn to. Yes, what do you think? Grandmother. What will you learn from your grandmother? Making chapatis, cooking, or something else. काय आवडेल आपल्याला? नेक्स्ट इज, आय वुड लाईक टू लर्न टू डॅश फ्रॉम माय टीचर. शिक्षकांकडून काय शिकायला आवडेल? आय वुड लाईक टू लर्न टू डॅश फ्रॉम माय नेबर. शेजाऱ्यांकडून काय शिकायला आवडेल? द वन इज गिवन, आय वुड लाईक टू लर्न टू प्ले चेस फ्रॉम माय कझिन. सो प्ले चेस हे तुम्हाला शिकायचं आहे कझिनकडून. लाईक दॅट, फ्रॉम नेबर, टीचर, ग्रँडमदर, बेस्ट फ्रेंड, व्हॉट विल यू लर्न. काय शिकायला आवडेल? C activities. I hesitate to talk टू माय. हेजिटेट मीन्स मागे पुढे पाहणे किंवा लाजणे किंवा साशंक असणे. सो आय हेजिटेट टू टॉक टू माय डॅश अबाउट माय स्टडीज. स्टडीजबद्दल मी बोलायला काचरतो किंवा बोलायला धजत नाही. कोणाबद्दल? बरोबर, युअर फादर, युअर मदर. हु इज स्ट्रिक्ट? इफ युअर फादर इज स्ट्रिक्ट, you hesitate to talk to your father about your studies. Or someone may say that I hesitate to talk to my teacher about my studies. टीचर बद्दल बरोबर बोलायला स्टडीज बद्दल हेजिटेट करतो. I hesitate to talk to my dash about the way he or she talks to my friends. माझ्या मित्राशी मैत्रिणीशी ते कसं बोलतात त्या संदर्भात मला त्यांच्याशी म्हणजे डॅश शिवाय बोलायला साशंक वाटते. सो यू हॅव टू राईट द नेम्स ऑफ द पर्सन और व्हॉट वी कॉल इट द नेम ऑफ द पीपल whom you hesitate to talk to. ज्यांच्याशी बोलायला तुम्हाला या पर्टिक्युलर थिंग्स साशंक वाटतात. नेक्स्ट वन इज अबाउट व्हॉट आय वुड लाईक टू डू इन फ्युचर. भविष्यात काय करायचं आहे त्याबद्दल आपल्याला बोलायला साशंक वाटते. सो यू मे यूज युअर ब्रदर, मदर और लाईक दॅट. नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट हाऊ आय वॉन्ट टू स्पेंड माय हॉलिडेज. माझे हॉलिडेज कसे स्पेंड करणार, कसे एन्जॉय करणार त्याबद्दल मी बोलायला लाजतो किंवा मला साशंक वाटते. अबाउट माय फेवरेट मूवीज. फेवरेट मूवीज कोणते आहे त्याबद्दल बोलायला लाजतो. और अबाउट द थिंग्स आय वॉन्ट टू बाय. कोणत्या गोष्टी मला खरेदी करायची आहे. सो आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू टॉक. मला बोलायला नाही आवडत. और आय फील शाय टू टॉक. फील शाय टू टॉक मीन्स हेजिटेट. मला साशंक वाटते. सो दीज आर द वॉर्मिंग अप ॲक्टिव्हिटीज अँड यू हॅव टू राईट इट इन युअर नोटबुक अँड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सेंड मी द photocopy of your assignment. Now turn to the next what we call it the poem, actual poem. Now what is the name of the poem? Walk a little slower. Walk means चालणे. A little slower. Suppose two friends are going. Actually it's 1 o'clock and you are late for your school. 1 वाजलेला आहे किंवा नियर अबाउट समथिंग आणि यू आर गोईंग विथ युअर फ्रेंड. सो विल यू वॉक स्लोली और फास्ट. कसं चालणार? फास्ट. बट सपोज यू आर हॅविंग सम प्रॉब्लम विथ युअर what we call it shoe or something. So what will you say to your friend? Walk a little slower. जरा हळू चाल. Why you say walk a little slower to your friend? Think about that. Don't you want your friend to go on time? तुम्हाला तुमचा मित्र शाळेत वेळेत पोहोचायला नको असं वाटते का? No. Then why you say walk a little slower to your friend? Because he or she is your friend and friends always try to in company with each other. प्रत्येकाला फ्रेंड्स बरोबर राहायला आवडते. and even we share all the things with our friend. So going late or coming early and enjoy gossiping on the ground. ग्राउंडवर येऊन मजा करणे और लेट आलो तरी सुद्धा वी वॉन्ट अवर फ्रेंड विथ अस. म्हणून वी वुड से टू युअर फ्रेंड, अवर फ्रेंड ॲक्च्युली वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर. जरा हळू चाल, मला तुझ्या सोबत येऊ दे. like that. So this poem is written by, who is the poet of this poem? See, author unknown. Unknown means anonymous, माहिती नाही. So if you are asked in appreciation the title of the poem, so what is the title of the poem? Walk a little slower. And who is the poet of the poem? Unknown. Unknown is not the name. Unknown means mahiti nahi. The name of the poet is not known to each us. आपल्याला माहिती नाही आहे त्या कवीचं नाव. So you have to write unknown. Now we will listen the poem first. I'll read it for you. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a child so small. I'm following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. See the last words, daddy, small, footsteps and fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me. Someday when I am all grown up, what the child say? Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child whom I will show, who shall want to follow me. And I would want to lead just right. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So, walk a little slower, daddy, for I must follow you. So, very, what we call it, audible and very sweet to our ear, listening this poem. Now, in the next period, we will listen the poem and we will study it in detail. So what you have to do at home now, just you have to solve the warming up activity. Afterward, just go through this poem, walk a little slower. Listen, once again I am going to present before you. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a child, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So, walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me. Someday, when I am all grown up, someday, when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I'll have a little child who will want to follow me. And in the last stanza, and I would want to lead just right and know that I was right, I was true. So walk a little slower, daddy, for I must follow you. So you have to go through this poem, only read this poem in detail, no in detail, but actually just read it and think about the rhyming words, pairs. So this is the only homework for you, and we will see it in detail in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye.